Making a boot pattern is really easy. You basically just need to measure from your foot around your ankle to your calf. Make that a straight line on a piece of paper, and then take the round measurements of around all the parts of your leg, going down from your calf, about your ankle, and then your foot. And then just shaping it all up that way. Or you could go the easy way and just get a really long sock and cut that in half and use that as the pattern. That's an example of the pattern I used. It was way too big, so I had to shorten it down. To sew the boot pattern, you're basically just going to fold it on itself and stitch it down. It's going to be real simple. But we're not doing that just yet. We're going to be painting it. So I pinned it down to some poster board, and I measured out about the halfway point. And an easy way to do this is about folding it up, making sure you got it halfway, drawing a straight line all the way down with a pen. So I went about, I think, either 1.5 inches or 2 inches away from that first line, and then I just kept making more lines all the way down the boot. And then I went with the horizontal lines the same way I did with the chest piece, and that is to make little dots on the vertical lines and then go with that little honeycomb patterns. I didn't use puffy paint on purpose because puffy paint makes it puff out just a bit too much. I prefer the sleekness of this fabric paint. Anyway, I just went down and then slowly went around like that. And did that for the whole boot, and this is how it came out. And this is how the final piece came out. It's just one stretchy boot like that with all the designs on it. Once it dries, it gets a little bit flat. Alright, next step would be to make sure both boots are even. So I had to cut off a bit of the excess on that side. And then also to add some elastic band if necessary. And that can be done by just sewing up a loop, making sure that you have one, like a hole open to put the elastic through. And then you take a safety pin and you push the elastic through that loop that you just made, and then you sew it in place. And there you go, you got yourself a pair of Spidey boots. That's all the spare time I have to share with you guys. I'll see you guys next time.